Next council is Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council was established to look after the territories that were under foreign rule and to help them attain self-government. So, main objective of, or you can say the main objective to establish the Trusteeship Council is to look after the territories. That means which country will have how many areas. It all these thing matter will be regarding, or who will look after this matter, it will be Trusteeship Council. All trust territories have achieved their independence. The Trusteeship Council suspend operation in 1904. So whatever they have got their task, they have completed and they have achieved their independence, and the Trusteeship Council was banned, suspended the operation in 1904. So though it is not active at present, but it is one of the organ of the United Nations. The next is International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice consists of 15 judges from different countries elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council. So there are total 15 judges from all over the countries, and it is elected by whom? That is the General Assembly and the Security Council. Each judge has a 9-year term. So all the 15 judges who are in the International Court of Justice, their term is for 9 years. No two judges can be from the same country. So there is a protocol where when they will decide from which country they will take the judges who will be a part of the International Court of Justice, no two judges can, or you can say, belong to the same country. That means no two judges can belong from America, Australia and so on. The main functions of these court are to settle dispute brought to it by member nation. So whoever the member nation who have the dispute or any problem, they can go to the International Court of Justice and finally their problem will be solved. Second is to give legal advice to the other organs of the United Nations on request. So the other organs, that means there are total 6 organ, right? And one of the organ is International Court of Justice. So the International Court of Justice will give legal advice to the other 5 members of the United Nations on request. That means if they want any suggestion matters related to legal, the International Court of Justice will give their suggestion to them respectively. All matters are decided in accordance with international laws. So whatever the matters or the issue will be decided in the International Court of Justice, it will be on the basis of the international law. The International Court of Justice is located at The Hague, Netherlands, Holland. So remember the headquarter where International Court of Justice is located. So this is a picture of the International Court of Justice at The Hague in the Netherlands. So these are the judges who will sit accordingly.